Originally, it was a combination of Gwen referring me to see if somehow Humana could work with you in some way. Um, and then I just kind of looked into the program and thought maybe, that would be something that I could incorporate into some of the changes that I'm trying to make. Energy was something that we spoke of. I knew that my health wasn't where it could be. I just want to be able to maintain that energy level and also the focus, because I do feel like now some things when it comes to work don't seem as daunting. And I think it just has to do with the mood. Just having some of that knowledge on what to look for. When I buy things, I usually go to certain stores for that now. And I'm a little more selective of that. Some things that I would eat before, it's like come maybe like 3:30, 4 o'clock, my body would start to kind of like just shut down and be like, you're done for the day. Take a nap. And I don't really get that anymore. The energy level is there. I don't really have the crash and burn after the choices that I'm making. My glucose levels are good. And I just went to my primary again in July, and my glucose had gone down a little over a point and something. My A1C, sorry. I think if I stay the course, I think I might be able to get it down even lower next month, which would be below what the acceptable level is or whatever. So the insulin, I think I can get off because I have tapered that off significantly. And it all has to do with what I'm eating. I feel like my focus is better because I don't have that brain fog that you get from certain foods. For me, a lot of the materials, they helped. The talks that we had have helped. The grocery tour definitely helped. For the most part, it's easy once you get through those materials. It gives you some foundations. The grocery tour, for me, I think was one of the most beneficial things, because just knowing what you're looking for. Because wherever anybody does their shopping, everyone's at a different level, right? Some people may go to Costco, some people go to Winco. It just gives you that guide that you can use, and also the eating out guide and the substitution guide. That's really helpful. I really feel it does pay off. You have to stick to it again. If you start to fall off, that doesn't mean that you just give yourself permission to just say, oh, well, it didn't work. So you just kind of have to get back on track and find, like you said, well, why didn't that work? The key was, how did I feel after? How did I feel the rest of that afternoon? Yes, I do feel it's been successful. It's like anything else, right? You have to stick to it. You have to, believe that the efforts are worth it for you, that you're worth making that effort as well. I'm not a me person, but yes, I am proud that I'm seeing those positive changes.